Okay, so last time you did a number 2 on the sides and back and left 3/4 of an inch on top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 on the sides and back, and 2 on top.
So with the 2, it's going to be taking off all this hair. You're okay with that?
Yeah.
And then with the 3/4 on top, it's probably taking off about that much.
Yeah.
Does that sound about right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. With your hairline in the back, do you prefer it square or rounded? See how it kind of like angles in? I would probably keep that corner round.
Yeah.
And just clean that up because it'll look cleaner longer because that's how it wants to grow.
Yep.
And then just kind of even it out to the other side. Does that work?
Yep, that's perfect.
So we'll just kind of cut that corner off so it matches the other side.
Yeah.
So it's not like squared around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You got it. So what products do you use in your hair when you're styling it?
I use gel. I think it's called. I think that's how it is.
Does it give you like a wet look?
No.
No.
That's right.
Okay, so it dries pretty good for you.
Uh-huh.
And it's not flaking out or anything?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. You can help it lay down better by etching into it the opposite direction. So you're going to push the mask down and go up and around to get all of those hairs. You also need to make sure that you cross-check what you just see shape. So you go down with the comb and pull it up to then make sure that you've got all of those hairs that we're not missing any. Okay, and how does that look for you?
Good.
Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Awesome.